Maybe I go smoke less cigarette. Yeah. Yeah. So long as me have heard. Nobody not tell me nothing, you know. Me just sit down and watch liberty with mankind and animal. You understand me?
Yeah.
And all them things there, we just put them together and tell ourselves, say, them man will meet up more time too, you know, because dog a traveler, you know. So you know, feel saying go check him birth more time.
Oh, that
Seem
work.
like how me come link here.
Or in girl or in one.
Dog plan figure broke people kitchen, you know.
Yeah.
Without a dog.
Without
Without
a
a dog.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I don't like.
And broke people fall cuban
Yeah,
and
man,
something,
all
and
type of
nyam
place, man.
people goat
Plan
and
now if
hog,
you
you know.
go back up the goat
Dog
to catch him or
plan
something.
that,
Yeah.
you know.
Look
Yeah.
on yourself.
Every time.
Just like how man and man sit down and plan to go rob bank,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah, man.
Go broke place. Dog sit down and plan where to go and get them food too. You
Yeah.
understand me? So not true you see dog war, I see him like how you see man and man war too.
When you see
Same way,
when
man.
you see the lion them roll out, a consuming time for the lion them, right?
Yeah.
When them go so boom and them do so boom and them screech up and them looking at the herd of people there. What you think them do? Them look out for the weak and the smaller
Yeah.
for attacking up.
Yeah.
A
Man.
real medicine.
So you want to tell me say this is not a planting?
A plan,
A
something.
plan.
With them plan?
Them plan, man.
And it's a gene where them a carry
Yeah,
on.
man.
And they know where the food there too.
They
You
not
know.
eat me and tell you,
They
man.
not linger where the food not
It's a
there. though.
plan.
Oh, it's a
It's a
plan.
plan.
Yeah.
It's a
man.
plan, but who knows?
Just
Who
like
know how
that,
they
brother.
talk and what their word mean and everything.
Thank you.
I just like ants, you know. Them have antenna, you know.
That a answer this man I blame me quite.
Yeah, ants so him just
So
did
them
a
plan to
play.
eat out all of my blood clot
That things.
things them what me have.
Yeah, I do that just one fine principle for him, you know.
And call the rest.
Call him rest a friend.
Call him Virgin.
Yeah, man. And every man come together fast and build a house, yes, so. And you see from them build the house, yes, so.
Yeah.
And yes, so them live, and yes, so the whole of them a feed, you know.
A real medicine.
Yeah, man, cause them plan and build them house, yes, so fast, you know. You know, think to say them talk, forget all them work, they complete done, so together in a one unity quick.
Come back to the hands.
Yeah.
I best thing organized.
Then I tell
You ever see
the
rain
plan.
fall and you see them in a rotation?
So you see where them do now, them build the house, you know. And you see principal things them we implant.
Yeah.
Them jug it we go pack up in a for them.
Please,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. God, it's not good for you.
Cause them don't know when the weather can check in and them can go a principal farm go reap. So them jug and pack up in a them camp. You see when rain, the whole of them their camp. Where you think them did that?
Yeah.
Now full choice self.
Where we do when rain
big
a
party and something and kick back and
we not pack up a one
Yeah, man.
place.
Yeah,
Play
man.
that me know.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Them did they do it too.
It's just
Yeah
really
man, yeah man, them
it's,
did they
it's
do it
just
too,
really
man.
talk really with them.
Turn ways and all type of things go on.
These
you
things
know?
are things that people don't know, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So when Muda look for you now, I'm say, all right, let's give you a little part of his real story then. We say, let's talk about ants. You see me? So ants then get up and then decide to have a party. So then go down a 3-card little place like that week, yeah,
Yeah.
and take something bring in like 1-2 crate of Guinness. Yeah, couple Magnum and you know,
Yeah.
food, you know. You have them chef and everything same way, you know.
Yeah man.
And then long lasting like saltfish and red.
All type of little something they have pack way, you know.
Ice and everything.
You have them
you know?
brother we run the little storeroom, you see them way. Have the little thing them who can forward deal, who have to go out.
Gunman, a guard,
Yeah, you
gate
see what
and
me I
something,
say?
yeah, you know?
Yes,
Yeah,
cat.
man.
Everything just like that same way,
Security
man.
knife force thing, man.
Eh? Yes, man, and we are some man.
Police
Then you know
knife
have soldier
force,
ants, man.
soldier,
Remember see a soldier ants, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
some bees make me know there's something there.
Bees?
Alright.
Yeah, bees.
Yeah, man, so
Yeah.
the whole of them
Bees make you know say
come
have
together,
soldier
every man
ants.
all them,
Yeah.
them
Yeah.
come forward.
Them bees the best army in the world, man.
Yeah, man.
Not even him,
Military no good,
not even
son.
government army in no country now wicked like a
Like the
bee,
bees.
like
Bees
bees
army.
army. You know.
And the bees army now, we make the military them have to run, man.
What you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You can use AK shoot 1 bees.
Yeah.
Now we make them have to run out of camp, man.
When they turn
Yeah,
on this,
man.
them a circle.
Oh,
They
yeah.
have them plan.
I will
Strategy.
I say, man.
Yeah, man. So I say ants them work too, brother. But you want know, brother, We really have to go back on that point again.
Yes.
That's
You
true.
know, and come off, go back to it. But here now, the truth still remains.
Yes.
These things unite more than we.
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand me, brother? Because remember, you know, count how much away we know say food can eat round the sun and come call you, you know, brother.
True.
True, man.
Talk the truth, man.
Answer call.
Enough of we not do it, brother.
Answer make everybody know say when they come prepare.
We are carrying them, you know, some creator.
Alright.
All the around and say one rubbish truck turn over.
You know,
some man.
alright, Cat, me I beg you to talk. Out of handsome man, which one you think work harder?
Hands work hard.
Thank you.
Man get hand down, you know.
Not no hand down for you.
Lot hand down to man, you know.
Yeah,
So hands work harder.
yeah.
Which one are we you think loyal?
Yes.
The hand.
Are the only being when a loyal are human being.
You know I tell lie.
Yeah, man.
That's why we fuck up so.
Yeah, man. I only
See
being
me?
that when a loyal, brother. Trust me. Cause you see him dog there. I take him normal, you know.
That's
You
why
see when him show you love,
yeah,
and you show him love,
you can't wrong.
are your best friend. Remember me tell you that.
Him not give away no.
No time.
Him a make you know say them coming.
Remember good.
Prepare. You
And
remember?
just you have to understand him, you know, brother. If me go no history about my dog, them up on me yard one night. Me go in, and me not telling no lie no general. The puppy them not generally do this.
Yeah.
Me go in and me pass them, you know them run up front. Pass them and me go around to my room. Them follow back on me every night, go around, you know, till me pull door, gone in. Them go back out all them eggs. You know, so me pull door and gone in and puppy out there on one piece of bark it. And me say then me puppy there on step now go and suffer. He not generally go and so a night time.
Something wrong.
Something wrong, man. I wonder where puppy a tell me say. Me pull door look out. You know, me left my key in the door. Me take out my key and say, I must. This puppy a tell me now.
Yeah.
Because me not see nothing else so him could have out here go on. So me take out the key and lock back door. Puppy not gone my business.
I mean,
Just simple. So
Understanding.
remember good. If me
Realize
no
it.
want pay him no mind it up to me, you know, him out there back. But me
Him
just
know
a
where
read in
my bag
my
from.
mind. So then, what could I make puppy still out here so back? Because me used to them people and me come around and gone back around. Me pull door and look, brother. Me key not left in the door, man.
Yes, sir.
And
Puppy
me man
has-
just
This one
hanging
get that.
farm if you know so well. Just look out, man.
Yeah,
Cause
man.
him
Yeah,
not
man,
fool, you
yeah,
know.
man,
Once
look
he left
out
in
to
the
see.
door, he must make a noise, you know,
Me
when they
nah
are
tell
leg
you,
on
man.
it, you know.
So me a show
Him
you,
hear
say,
that, you know.
Them have very good sense, the brother.
they watch
who
everything
talk,
you see
they
them
can't
there,
talk to
Yeah.
you.
They
Everything
watch
them
everything you
watch.
see them there, you know.
All right.
We don't ever watch a video one time, yeah. You don't ever watch a video where one day me a reason with the duck. Yeah, man. Like me a reason with the man and tell him,
Yeah.
say, yo, cause I beat up the other one, the man me a tell him, say, yo, stop certain thing and allow certain thing. And like him pick up all piece of stick and chew and, you know. I don't know if he eating about me now, me attack him pick up piece of stick and chew like him and say, yo, wait.
Yeah.
And medicine and some thing staying on. And me run your son, you know.
cross and
You see me
yeah.
I say, God, I did the other pretty thing, you know. Me I say, you know, say, them thing are easy.
Yeah, man, I just
Yeah,
like
man.
when me used to reason with me two bird.
But people will say, man, you know.
And them a tell me, say,
All right.
them
You,
love them one another, you know.
you know, say,
The man and them jump up and them show me the sign in I come.
you know,
Yeah, man.
you know, say, any animal you
And
have,
run go kiss the other one and show me, say, yeah, man. Love we are deal with.
Yeah, man.
Kiss up him partner and rub up him face and feel, man. Jump back over your son, talk back to me and move up himself and jump back and kiss him parry again and say, no can go on,
Love
man.
bird there.
Yeah, man, I love bird, you know, man. And I say, yeah. Rate to the same way, man, you know,
Yes,
cause
sir. Yeah, man,
end
long
of the
time.
day,
man.
them a observe your
love
life
bird,
and
love
living
bird.
where you
First
live
day I
at
see
home with them, too, you know.
You know, say one
your
dead
partner,
pretty.
and make we not go out there morning time, go tend to them, no?
So,
And pull down cover.
that's why one time I get the news,
man.
like, say, when time I used to drive up the vehicle, when we used to drive up the vehicle and forward, you know, say, dog, run, come meet me, and him know a vehicle forward and he start, you know, he start going wicked until in time, yeah, he say, well, everything good, brother, and boom, I'm moving. So, one day before forward now, and I'm just telling me, say, yo, now watch your dog them when you see them, you know. The same way you see dog them a perform, when you drive up and a forward this side, I see way duck them. I behave in that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Same way them a
Same
behave.
way.
And even right now, God, me can tell you this. Ask all Piggy. Me step down a yard, my youth. And from my voice, me heard, no care where you duck them there.
Right now I just learn puppy, I learn say.
Yeah, man.
When me put on my clean clothes and I come out, not fi do it. But make me a go down now. Make me wake up and come out. You think me can wake up and bathe inside before me come out the door, unless me not make them see me. And they are dirty me.
You know, sir,
all about
you know,
up
sir,
on me
all-
in the morning, the man.
all of the
Yeah,
animal
man,
there.
all about up on my clothes, them up there in the morning, the brother.
You know, say all of the animal, the cat and them something there, if you study them more time, you know when the earthquake a come or when
you have
disaster
them show you
come.
sign, man.
Yeah, man.
Bird and fowl and
Yeah.
all of them things, man.
Cause if
Them show you
earthquake a come
sign
now, you
to
know,
them.
your dog left your yard in a
Yeah,
tunchi.
man.
Yeah.
You don't believe me? You just not see your dog, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, on YouTube, me I watch it, pal, you know, and them a say, you have to always have animal or bird around your yard.
Notice
Cause
if
when
you them
this-
say hurricane a go blow tonight.
You know, say no fall.
None of them now go up on the road.
Alright.
But anyhow you see them a take them road, say hurricane a blow tonight.
They only know that.
Ask him.
Alright.
I never did tell you the plan with the dog and the fowl them.
Yeah, man.
Me sit down and watch it. So, every time the dog get him food, the fowl them a try to get something, you see me? But the dog always move them up and, you know, rough them. And one day I feed the dog, and me see, like around 3 fowl. Them not come from one end. Them circle. So me I say this look like it's a planting. My youth, you know what one of them do? Him run in for the dog rush him.
Yeah,
you see when the dog rush him, the one around there so run in pan the food.
Yeah.
And there is what them doing straight. My youth, you think I joke me?
Three of them must
Me say-
get a eat.
My youth, me say this is what them do when the one they run in and the dog run him down, him run in and pick up. When the dog rush back, the dog always rush back to
Yeah.
the food, you know. When him do so boom and say, alright, move up the one the other one and go so him run back in. My youth is a planting, my youth, and me I say, you know them sitting here smart.
Oh, you mean if them smart?
smart,
Them
you know.
have to find a way to get some of the
Of
food.
course.
Alright,
Them
Tunchi.
forget some.
Remember you watch him Discovery Channel and you see how the dog, the wild dog, them back up the cover they sitting them where they want to catch. A team they workers,
Yes,
you know.
man. Yeah, man.
And
And alright, look for most of the time them, the place where them hold the animal.
Run and tail, run there.
Are them chewed.
Yeah.
Slow him down. Just observe.
Yeah, man. You see if
Observe
them hold
them,
on
man.
pan in short, then just continue carrying
Yeah,
down.
man. And then more start gang and
them
start
a
rush
cut
and
him
them
in
pin
while
him
them a
down.
carry him down.
Yeah,
them a
man.
cut
Look, me preach
Yeah,
all the
man.
while because
They know exactly what they do, you know.
Yes.
Them know
exactly
exactly
what
what
them
them
are
a
Oh,
doing.
yeah, I say,
They
man.
know exactly what them are doing.
When the panther them upon the cow mouth, them hold mouth.
Definitely. Yeah.
Them a drink water at night at the riverside.
Yeah,
hold
them
upon
just
him
go
mouth.
grab him
And
pan
grab
the
him and pan him mouth and neck
Yeah,
and
man.
them all.
That slow him up, you
I
know.
want to
Crump him, you know.
Time, you know.
Stifle him
Yeah,
meantime,
man.
man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Cool something, you know. You want to see
man.
big something when the man am a kill.
I
Full
want
of
to you,
senses,
man.
man.
Big old buffalo, the man a kill.
Yes, man.
But see, these things to me is only a few people really take time.
See,
See
say,
them thing here
yeah.
and realize say, yo,
Look on the alligator when him lie down in a pan side and I wait for the animal them for cross.
Alright. You look like after stone.
Well, they-
Show anything cross.
Dead.
Oh.
You can't see me, you know, they all a walk by as they come, so you flip up, you know.
even the underwater world, see 'em.
Yeah.
Even some of the things them we need to consume. Them camouflage, them
Yeah,
say,
them change them color.
Mm-hmm.
you know?
The things that you eat
When
them,
you pass them grab you.
Bird
yeah.
look like-
And same way with them
like water,
defense.
you know.
Them
You're
use it.
afraid
You
fish.
can identify the bird, so you see what they
Fish out.
I know all of them are fish.
Them out.
Alligator fish.
Everything you know see.
Alligator fish.
I mean, I
Me
fish.
ask you if alligator fish.
No. So we did talk about alligator already. You said the things them.
Me say underwater world. The whole of them are underwater, brother.
Say afraid fish.
Me not say fish, I never fish me a dog.
You talk like sea cow.
See one fish?
No. So you know, say fish.
You just want me to say fish,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Sprat.
Brat, a fish.
A barra.
Yeah, a fish.
Yeah, yeah, Mara, Mr. Camouflage too, you know.
Oh, but you say, man.
Yeah, man,
See,
camouflage.
like all this, like right now, chill out.
Yeah. The one next week you do camouflage is the one with the two eye on one side.
Flounders.
Yes, sir. In wicked pan camouflage, you know.
Him innocent.
Eh? Him and a war boat, but him use that for defense too.
Yeah,
Change
this guy.
Yeah,
You
because
go lie down on the sun.
Yeah, him have a quick this guy.
and look just like the sun.
Yeah.
So you pass him and can't do nothing.
You have to see your eye them. boy.
Which eye? Which eye?
Two eyes.
I one side of the pan, so
You
you
know
trick
two
you.
eye, you see?
Yeah, look for two
Turn
eyes.
down
We
that
have them
side,
on
them.
one
You
side.
see two of them on one side.
Yeah, but him turn down
Shot
that
them,
side up
shot
on the
them.
sun, you can't.
All who not talk, you know. A barra make female dey on one side,
Yeah,
you
you
know.
know one race them go.
Alright.
Barra make female the pan one.
But you two eye dey on one side, him a barra.
Barra fast
Make-
on him.
make you
got
tell
to
him.
put him 2 eye on one side. Say man Barra go on race. When we got the man where it set off the race.
Yeah.
Man count them off 1, 2,
And that tight set on the race.
Yeah, I believe I that try.
Barra don't win.
Barra win him.
Barra win him,
Barra
man.
quick still in a
So
brother.
oh God could have put him 2 eye. Barra trick him man and win him.
Hey, Barra fast in a bad
I
man.
mean, Barra faster than him.
Him no-
faster.
Oi,
Yeah.
oi, a too fast,
No,
man.
but Barra directly
Hold on,
faster.
yeah, a too fast, man, and then plan out this with
But not
God.
care how the 2 are we fast, you know, 1 are we must win.
Yeah.
Them get God involved.
You only trick
Then God put him up on the other side, he must involve on the game thing.
Him lose.
He lose.
Him
The only
lose.
trip when it go on another type of fields there. And the rabbit and the turtle.
No, you see, if Barra did trick him, yeah, them wouldn't go for
Barra
one.
take shortcut and win him.
Yeah, Barra win.
Barra not tell us.
Barra not take no shortcut, bad man. Barra win him on the line.
Yeah, man, Barra win him on the line,
A
man.
turtle them chick rabbit man. A
Barra
turtle
couldn't
them.
face him. Barra, that's why Barra trick him, you know. He couldn't go clean sandal.
So where I said that means Mr. 2 eye on one side faster than Barra.
Yeah.
Him can't fast and Barra. If a Barra, yeah, they would have nip on the two, on the one side.
If you don't know, say your vehicle can overtake mass vehicle,
You
you
know
know,
what
like a
it
split second, you're not going to compete to overtake it.
I now plan a race now.
So Flounders have the confidence that he can kill that.
No, he can't win him.
Yeah, but him can't end up lose.
Yes, so Barra no
That's why I'm dead that put him 2 eye on one side of him lose.
That's a big what's that him there?
That the bet that you know, certain say you
Yeah,
can't win.
yeah, certain him certain.
Then a certain
You understand, brother? So
Him
you cannot
lose.
just trick him
He
last
fully
and win him.
lose, man.
We not
Fully,
winning.
fully.
Him
And the
should
one who
have
come
end
in
up
first.
win since him so certain.
Remember, say no man judge the winning, you know.
But
Yeah.
still,
A God, you know.
God.
still, I have
we
the
don't
video. I have the
Barra
video.
win.
I have
Yeah,
the
but-
video.
We not win.
Eh?
Let me tell you. The video over here, so brother. So people, only need to know this now. This is something we need to check out. If Barra really, in a real life, faster than a Flounders.
Yeah, man.
This to check out.
You know, say,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
say,
Me check some Barra faster than a
Barra
Flounders.
faster.
But we do a 3 card, I say. That's something to check out.
Remember, say God no unfair, you know.
Check the left light, you know, man.
check, check Miss Google, man.
Principle, if you're not so confident, remember your sight you have put up in a prayer. So what would have give you so much confidence?
I want if a man betting house and
Yeah,
his
man, no
wife
funny
and
for man for
lose.
real, really.
Yeah,
Just
but no
feel
man
like
now bet
somewhere.
them yai bother.
That's a no lie that he dead, Jack. And then lie.
No man now bet them yai, you know,
The
bad man.
man will play Russian roulette.
Him a clown.
I'm life in bed.
Him a waste man.
But waste man, can me not play that.
Because if me have a race, 100 meter and you take 25, you don't win me, brother. Look at your turn.
But hold on. But
Barra
anyone
will
away,
do, huh?
but anyone away find
It's unfair.
know the trick where pull up.
We have to ask the Turkle now,
unfair.
because the Turkle I did the judge, you know, and train so slow and see everything.
Because I would have to find out how him really trick him then, you know.
Barra win.
Me check so. Me
Barra
feel so.
win fair.
Me feel so.
Barra now win him thief.
Me say, oh, God don't put the yai there.
Barra win, man. I'm in a bias. Remember, see, God I judge, you know, man.
Yeah.
As we say,
Then
you know,
that me I say, man.
So you see, if Barra never win, Flounders, yeah, then couldn't go up on the one side.
No, sir. 'Cause as me I tell him, say,
Unfair then.
me I tell him, say, I know man a judge this.
Yeah.
A juror.
Lose, man.
Check the level there, check the level there.
Him
Principle.
lose.
See if you can see what me I say.
Yeah, me understand it clearly.
What
man.
would I give Flounder that confidence?
Him speed where him have.
That means say no, say in vehicle in a standard.
No,
they
him
can run
speed
them.
where him
Your
have, but
vehicle.
him no know Barra
You understand the
speed.
principle?
No, when
In
he was
no
saying,
Barra
him no
speed,
Barra
yeah.
speed, you know.
But
How
yeah,
comes?
yeah.
How comes?
Because I one set of people them from the same
At the underworld people, them we are running
I
Him
want
man
to
go know film speed. Him know Barra
I make a
develop
bet
and
like
speed.
that, cat.
Alright.
I make a bet like that after I know the man speed.
You know, say
How am I pro?
you know, say Barra clock on that 10. And you are going to bet say if Barra win, you put 2 yip on one side. That means you are clock 9.6.
But
You are
still-
clock under 10.
But still,
Barra trick him.
we can't answer the trick still not there. It's a thing we go look up.
Me say I ask the Turkle.
Watch now. Watch.
Barra not
Turkle
tricky.
did know rabbit speed, you know.
I ask the Turkle, no, say Barra
Turkle
trick
did
him.
know rabbit speed, you know. And him still take on the bet, you know.
Here we Barra trick him now. Barra have a longer
And
run.
win.
And the big Barra take and beat him.
And
you know.
Turkle.
Listen, me
Of
man.
course.
Barra, wait, remember say flounder short, so.
Yo,
Sun short, you know.
you check say
So we Turkle and Rabbit.
When them start them race, you know. Them bet, you know. When rabbit knows them Turkle slow. So I easily go something this same. What Turkle do now, you see true to all Turkle favor. Turkle line out every winning post,
Like
every mile, him line out another Turkle. So when Mr. Rabbit do up and them say, on your mark, get set, go, and Mr. Rabbit do up, boom, and spin over him blood cleat wheel them and speed up, you know. When him reach his first pole, you know.
It's a Turkle.
Mr. Turkle had go see him wheel crawl. He fly past him again.
Yeah,
I say,
man.
what you and boy, you think you're going to beat me? You see when him reach like the third, the second one, Mr. Turkle, you see I go again. Like him I say,
Pass,
we
yes,
see why
sir.
you're there, part. Boom, I said pass him again, you know. You see when he reach the third one? You see when him reach winning, Paul?
That Turkle,
Like
yeah.
the other day, I actually wait for him, man, and I make him know, say, yo. Yeah, but me I try show you, say.
That's Turkle speed.
Yeah,
That kind of speed Turkle.
Yeah.
That tricking.
Then I am going to speed that him can't use.
you understand? So I just say we alive.
Barra tricky flounders.
I just say we alive. So, you take on a bet like this 3 of us.
Yes.
But do you realize that?
A man
I
faster
gamble,
than
I
you.
gamble.
Did you realize a man faster than you?
If the man never have a certain amount of self-confidence.
Yes, you can have that and lose, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you have that and still lose,
Give me a good
man.
reason now, make you that bet you can't get on bicycle.
Eh?
Give me a good reason now. Make you that bet you can't get on bicycle.
You know why? May I tell you why? Why fastest man now?
You see it.
Alright. So, the day when time you see and where the boy your name?
Yatlin.
And I
Yeah, man.
no man, America young boy at
Our
all.
Jamaican,
Asava.
Asafa, no, no,
Or
Asafa.
Blake.
Yeah, the day
Yuan.
when time,
Yuan.
the day when time you won and Bolt a go run. You know my money you da lose?
No, me no bet.
Not tell me that.
Me no know.
You not tell me that, brother. You all away know say you seeing and Speedy Gonzales, brother. My
You
youth.
bet against us here.
Yeah, all right,
Me a
yeah.
bet.
All right. Who I go bet against you seeing?
Me would not bet against
you.
us
Me not bet, guys.
Would
A
I
one
bet
man
pounds
race.
here.
Eh?
We couldn't bet, guys. A one man race.
But
guys.
I know him win.
But then that's why I wouldn't bet because me a cafe win, so me not go bet because I done crowd
No,
favorite.
no, you're not going to see winnings
Me
and
say
not
me
take
nah
it.
bet.
Tell me that.
Me
You're
not bet.
not going to see winnings and not take it. And me know that there
but
are
like
whole
you
heap
when
of
man don't
people
come first, I
lose
see
a
the
lot.
bet say me come first.
Whole heap of people lose a lot.
Lose a lot.
You know who I go bet? The man was fool. And him a going up laugh that day. That's all I can say now. The man where I go fool and him a go win the money that day. Because for a man go bet Pan Blake, him fool you know. Because him know directly. Say this man ya speedy and him a know nothing to this man ya.
But then can plan and say more game.
Well, no see him where you need plan and thief.
Yeah, that's why me
I
go
see
say
him where
Barra fuck
Turkle
up
in
the
plan and
flounders.
thief too, you know, so
That's
what?
why me Barra fuck up the flounders.
So Flounders plan and
life,
give Barra forget 2 yip per man, side.
Yeah, two flounders.
So Flounders wicked certain say.
Two flounders certain saying
I
can
want it.
win the race a principle. He might-
Pass ground from your drop, brother. You can't pass ground. I down there, so the sudden stop there. Yeah. So from your drop,
But
don't worry, man. You're not go far on ground.
no man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, missing me a chicks jump and fall through floor.
Go floor on a ground. That me a try show you no principle. You gone far, man. Floor a floor. Floor the hand, ground there on the floor, you know. So you have to drop through the floor, you not pass ground. Yeah, you not pass ground, but now herbs I'm used to and know about a cali herb.
Cali weed.
Cali weed. So them where them are coming with now go smell sweet. Yeah, but first time when we know of the original, no cali herb man. Strong man and full of seed and gum and everything man. So if you get a jar of them time you can go plant all on like a farm for yourself after. So you get some grades, yeah. You get some grades, you know, yeah man. So that me know about it, you know.
Then draw where you come with these days. They never see them.
No, you're not getting
When
the
they buy a
grades.
jar for $1,000,
No,
you
the
can
grains,
get one seed
the
off a
grains
shell.
them expensive, so them never have to sell you the herb with the grains, I guess. You think so some of them not grow with grains?
No,
Some of them grow with grains, you know.
they have to grow with grains.
Yeah, but
They're
them
not plant.
separate them because them want back the grains.
Of course.
You
They can't
understand?
even give you two.
Yeah, you understand. Yeah man, but you really have some grades. When them the plant and reap, you will find out
Bobada.
one or a two seed in a tree.
But brother, all the way I go on, you know.
Seedless.
Seedless, yeah.
And the same weed, that one that come out there, you know. And this, and the few weed, they carry a lab and make this half, you know.
Weed original.
Original,
yeah.
Big
Whole
grains,
thing
some
start
of
from
them
the
big grains, you know.
They better just come, so, you know.
Right.
Out of few weed.
And them
Cali weed they come
Cali
from,
weed,
you know.
them was the original grains.
So how they give them so much name?
No, then take them and go do a whole heap of experiment.
You know,
You understand me? So if you find out now, you can't find a cali weed seed, you know.
no, so they kill out them there.
That no they again.
That's the problem.
Yeah,
They kill
that
up the
no they
original breed
again.
now.
Yeah, them kill
So
out
what you
that.
do when this lab weed fade out? And
Yeah,
how
man.
you go back to the original
That-
weed?
Yeah, a man go search miles and journey if you pay one arm and a leg for 6 grains or a dozen grains.
Yeah.
And that's the thing I reach to. You understand me? Arm and a leg it a cost, you know, if you get a dozen grains. Which then time you could have just know say it easy. Each man can plant them own. Because the grains are available just like the food from the grains, you know.
But when this dead out, you know, we dead, you know. When the lab weed are dead out, we dead. Because the cali weed seed are there again.
Well, the lab weed now go dead, you know. Because lab a go always be there. That them a try to show you. Kill out the things, natural things. We bring in the lab thing. So the lab now go dead. The lab always a go be there. Remember me tell you, me and you are dead left the lab.
Lab and us.
Definitely. Me
And
and you
the
go and
lab
die.
and the little man. Lab for a big man.
Big man, you
So
see
how
me?
we all go
Yeah, we
reap
have
the
to go
reward
just-
and
The reward of the day. You know,
No.
smoke high grade.
Yeah.
The
Big
reward.
man, we get the reward.
We bag of money.
I don't ever plant some okra, you know. See him? I buy the pack of okra and plant it. And okra enough and booming around the place.
Yeah.
You see when them okra there, outdated and them forward up and I put some of them same one there for dry and plant them.
Yeah. Then a fire.
Them not go out with nothing right now. All one little tree you see we bust up there and the dung there just like it a, you know, like in can't gone away. So you know say if you see that, you know say something will go on. One time you know my youth, things could have bring back things, you know. You have okra, you know. How you could have get an okra tree one time? You have to have dry okra one way, you understand? And plant the product and get it growing.
Them you know when you plant them now can dry pan.
Yeah, you will get it dry, but you know good.
Can't plant.
Once you dry, you throw it off, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't plant back nothing. Because my body be a suffer and a suffer because this is not a thing.
Still have the man them with the natural okra in the hills, they still never them hard to find.
So I'm to boom in a plant natural okra.
Yeah, some man we have them thing the natural same way.
But who are going to know too? Who are going to know?
But them hard to find.
I say, boom
Remember
plant
them,
natural.
remember them then a flourish the market, you know.
Mhm.
So when you go market away there you go get.
Yeah, what next thing?
Yes.
Yeah,
if
one
you
next
buy
thing.
in a village, you will get the natural thing, you know.
But yeah, what next thing, no cat? Watch you know. You see, me forward I road with natural okra. And you forward with them like a lab thing. Who forward anything can sell off?
Lab thing no fat and pretty.
Pretty
So
like.
true, me and you know love prettiness. We catch we run go grab it, but we don't know say we fi go for the natural thing.
Kind of natural thing, then they look
So
pretty, then they
that
pretty,
me
you
a
know?
tell me people them long time, say me people.
They are pretty.
No, no, say we have to hold down the market, you know. But at the end of the day, keep up your health. You rather the market more your health.
Cause
Eh?
some people left their Sabbath, you know. Mr. Rasta left their Sabbath and their market Sabbath, you know. You have to heal the king for Sabbath, you know.
Yeah.
You
Sabbath,
understand me?
Sabbath not necessary more than your food.
You,
Eh?
you prepare your food before
All right,
Sabbath.
your food necessary, brother.
You prepare
Yeah, man.
before Sabbath.
So you know, so when you go market, you buy the natural things them to keep your body.
Sabbath day, what,
We
24
give
hours?
substance to your body,
But-
then
but
the
here
something
I
to
know.
your body. When you go buy lab things don't go full your belly and big up your belly and fat up your
Yeah,
body.
you know,
quick,
so
you
I
know.
love thing pretty.
But where the energy there where you
Right,
get
we
from
talk
it?
about.
Yeah, once people are going to market, go buy cabbage where you see wormhole in it.
Me don't tell you, I eat what you
I
talk
type good
about.
cabbage, you know.
I eat we talk about.
No,
I say,
some people
a
don't want the
prettiness.
cabbage where the worm bite.
The worm
They
nah,
want the one where pretty and
the
no
worm nah
hole.
bite that one with the chemical, you know.
No.
That's why I pretty so, you know.
Yeah.
You look for my tomato them one time me grow them.
Mm.
They ugly and chop up and rough up like.
But then I use the poil.
But me tell you, you know,
We plant
you
them all
want to
the
see
while.
me so pretty, you know?
No, what?
Hey, you'll need a fridge him to, instead of with that
Yeah,
pile, you know?
why,
Yeah,
you know?
man, Mr.
Ah.
Pretty look good.
Oh, you stay there.
A real meds man.
That's true. But me as a man, me not lie to you. When I done the natural thing, we're hard to find, brother. You see all the carrot them? The carrot? The man never say, yo, the carrot they too little bit of with a man. But them are the carrot.
Yeah.
Each man supposed to rather the natural thing, you know, but as you say,
Some
we
man
just
not buy
get-
the ugly
we just
thing.
get influenced by things.
Sometimes we don't know it too.
Sometimes I no matter I know to, you know. We know the natural thing to, you know, but me say we influenced by things. You know, want them big pretty carrot that
Yeah,
you
man,
want
yeah,
for your
man.
friends here with you, man. You don't want to see them here with a little one then.
When you open your fridge feel gloomy and nice
Yeah.
and pretty carrot, then turn up and
yeah,
pussy, color,
You don't want them
higher
little
rich.
dirty food carrot.
No.
Little dirty food carrot, you know.
Well,
But
look
look
how
how the little dirty food carrot you juice which and stain your
Bad
pot.
man.
Stain your things that you mix in and just look on
You
it.
see, I
You
will
know.
look great at them.
Alright. Just
I put
look on
lime
it,
and
brother.
ginger, you can taste the difference.
Yeah, man. Some people don't want them there, brother. Nah, spend no money on them there for them type. You understand me?
Me lose,
Yeah, man.
me lose 2 patch of something over there. One patch of cabbage and patch of and something that me never know, so me could have sew it and it no forward. That's a pop chow. Because me think pop chow come like a while.
From your drop is
Yeah, it come like a while. What
But
do you me lose
sometimes they
2
not good
batch?
enough. Sometimes they in a store too long, you know.
Can be, but me lose 2 batch. But when me I say, me find out a thing.
Maybe your nurse be no good.
No, you see, if you go for
Look
rather,
here, me not cut you in a big man as a youth, you know. Ants eat the seed them. Ants eat the seed them.
you go like ancestors me.
No.
Ansness, yeah, pa.
No.
Ancestors in my farm.
You don't have to have ants nest there. Because you try to see their ants find that them are eat it.
After me bury them.
They never say ants are come out of dirt.
So, ants your plant.
So why am I something them ants have to eat?
Yo, Ponga, better say we sow some natural grains and then catch ants eat them.
Yeah, everything, brother.
Ants no good, so
Sure, man.
eat everything
Everything
before
bad, man. I want to tell me some man.
non-birds.
Brother, that means that nobody wouldn't have the farm then.
Yeah.
If ants eat everything.
Here one now, man sow them thing with ants powder. Them have a ants powder when them park up, they sow them.
Yeah, man, yeah, people when I saw with nothing
Me
and things
ants
first
things,
before
alright,
ants
yeah,
done
alright.
there.
Me understand, kid.
Yeah.
But him no
And so
lucky
much
so.
ants get to enough in farm.
Yeah.
Ants are everywhere.
But yeah, what me ask?
Make something dead there so now and buy
So
tomorrow.
how we
you wonder
want
where to
salt
get
summer?
Yo, the real thing
Him
about
no
it.
salt.
No, yeah,
And just ants eat when him sow.
no, yeah, the real game, no,
Salt
Max.
for true, man.
Max,
salt.
Max, you know how much grains in a one pack of that? And for ants eat the
Oh.
whole of them there before. One burst. Them ants there upon rapid.
Him and a farmer.
Yeah?
Him a city man.
Saw him spoil the grains there.
Cause right now, if you just get some fire coal ashes and just sprinkle over a place,
Yeah.
them can't eat it.
But me not think ants eat so much. I good them no good.
Well, they no boss enough, so we can't know if ants eat them. But me I tell him say it's a possibility.
Ants can't eat so much, Max.
Ants can eat a whole
Remember
man.
them bust.
Alright, make a man
But at the
dead.
time where them take for catch, and bust out of earth.
Cat, let me tell you man the real reason now.
So the ants couldn't eat them.
They're
see,
supposed to
Frank,
bust
you
in a
see,
3 days,
You
cat.
know me like
Yes.
with
How
them.
much
no, man.
hours
You
that
know me like
ants
with
are
them. From you
Ants
beg
are
me
work.
attack, you know.
Yeah,
If you see
ants
from you
take
beg me
long
attack,
feet
you
and
don't give me
things,
back
man.
attack. From you beg me attack and take on me argument, you don't give me back attack.
Alright,
That me no like.
alright,
Ask back for your talk, no princess.
Yo, Mr. The
You're
real
fine
meds,
now.
the real meds about it, God. Listen. Well, these seeds are growing product. Want if you do nowadays is to sow them with,
Chemical.
yes, with this thing, cat.
Yeah.
That's why when you go up a radar and you buy a flowers or a plant for a radar, it hardly can dead.
Yeah.
Because
it-
them
it really
put the thing in there,
chemical
you know what me hear them call it?
Yeah.
Them call it like some professional planting. You understand? Which way if you don't use certain thing for this thing flourish,
It
them
not
can't
go-
make
it
it.
not go
So
flourish.
that really happened to me.
Even the thing that we are buying and sow, you know, say you have to fertilize and them for
Then
them come good.
I see him thing me I try show you God.
And other man have the real seed them where
so
you dash right
I know
there,
the
bro.
ants make me lose mine. Me feel say are the
Max, I blame
fertilizer.
ants.
Are the fertilizer when me no use.
Yeah.
Because them bust up and bossy, but then just
We blow it.
yeah.
They need
Max,
that.
blame ants. Fuck.
You know,
Yeah, me see ants in blame, but at the end of the day, Max, them need the push with them have because guess what? You see, two of them are come from that stages. Them need that. They come like all. You see, more time, something like probably a goat or even picnic too. No
Just
suck
that
them
Max-
mother.
It's just that Max not get that understanding there, you know. So I just
Oi.
ants him specifically.
I want thing, you know. Me's not a big farmer, but me's a farmer, you know. Ask
Yeah,
when
rather
Where you
far.
plant where it? Oh no, sorry.
Bad
No,
man.
sorry, Mr. Say sorry, me just remember say yo,
Me plant
you'd have a
tomatoes,
few
me
and
plant-
you'd have a few pumpkin.
me say me plant tomato, you know, can't tell me have to give away them, you know. Big tomatoes, you know. Ask, see quick they can tell them, man. All up at me about place in my house, the fun part where you enter in my room. There's a full up of tomato.
No, me not lie to you, no. Me
Hi.
remember.
Everything.
Me remember directly when you did that do a little something. You see
Yeah,
me I say?
man.
Yeah,
And,
man.
and you know, say big and know enough man I do.
Eh?
Big and enough man in the Falkland I do say farming. Me swear. Cause me plant tomato from here to go around. In a row, around the water side. And I like 3-4 row. So you know when then they are beer bad man and a game thing.
Me think
Yeah,
if
man.
you really plant tomato, we have to big up the white vessel and them man they plant tomato and them thing.
Yeah.
Scallion and them thing. Because them man
No, man.
them man they are king in it, you know. We don't know how to do it, you know.
Tell me Savas say you know, you're soon sweet, you know.
Yeah.
So that's
I know long.
yes, sir, no brother. You're soon forward I have played.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I know long. But me say them man there. One time I see Vasa send me one little like one little piece of land with tomato on it. Like this week he send me the picture. The next week when Vasa send me a picture, God. And we up in a area so I see thing them. Man, you just see next show man I show me. A truckload of pretty tomato. Me I look one. Me I
Oi.
see everybody come
Them
like.
man that use the chemical wicked.
But
you know.
I'm more soft.
Because
You understand?
that soil system set. When they come to Westmoreland, they believe in a fertilizer.
But at
Farming,
the,
man.
at
Yeah,
farming. But at the
farming.
end of the day, they know what they are doing.
I mean if they know what them are doing.
You can use fertilizer and mash up all the thing them, you know?
I'm
You
not.
know,
I'm
tell
not-
I'm not have nothing, you
They
know?
burn up.
Okay.
I'm
You
not-
still
not
think
a
fertilizer
farmer.
something from with you. We use, you don't know if you use
You
it.
know if you use it as a
Yeah.
farmer.
Yeah, man.
No man can drop and
So I
pass. bro.
saying the girl to fly up back.
I mean, no, if you need fly up back, you know. But you can't
No,
pass.
you know, go away and it come like sponge and him forward up.
Not yourself as
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, but listen,
Right.
just listen to me, Cat. Just
Yeah.
listen good now. I'm probably going to have an understanding of what you're saying. Cat, the argument first not come with alright. We know that he's a man. You understand me? We know he's a man. You remember what I say? This, the sentence is we know that he is a man. Listen. Look here now. In a man.
And you know, knowing that you is a man.
In a man.